Hi guys, welcome to my channel Bromic Digital. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to turn on to hit the subscription button and also turn on the notification button, okay, so that you're always in the know whenever I upload new content. Okay, so guys, today in this video I want I've been getting a lot of questions regarding Payoneer. How do you verify Payoneer? Okay, so guys, if you don't know what Payoneer is, basically Payoneer is a it's like a payment platform. Okay, it helps you receive your payments all over the world that you will have made over the world. Okay, so whether you're a seller on Amazon, on Airbnb, you're doing affiliate marketing like in CJ, you always want a way on how to receive your payment. Okay, especially here in Uganda. So, one of the safest ways to receive your payment is Payoneer. So you can see here, this is my Payoneer account. Okay, so basically, I set it up. Setting up the Payoneer account is pretty very easy. So if you want me to make a video on how to make a detailed step-by-step video on how you can set up a Payoneer account, then let me know. I'll go ahead and make the video. Okay, but I can tell you that all I have to do is go to the link in the description. You'll find there the Payoneer link. Okay, on how you can make your Payoneer account. Then you'll sign up. Okay, so signing up is pretty easy. All you need is your national ID. You see these things that involve finances, you need the Payoneer account. Okay, so I made my Payoneer account, but I didn't have the mass payout option. Okay, so what I did, it took me some time actually to have that option. So I wrote to Payoneer. So you have to do is go to your Facebook page. Okay, write an email there. I said hi, hello Payoneer, and then I said good afternoon. I gave them my customer ID, and I said my email address is that. Okay, but I have a challenge. My Payoneer account was approved, but I can't find the global payment service button. Okay, so you notice that in these countries here, like Uganda, you'll create a Payoneer account, yes, but you'll find that it will take you a while to get the global payments service button. So they responded, said, hey, thank you for contacting Payoneer. I'm sorry for the delayed response, and global payment service unavailable. Okay, we understand that you need the global payment. So please know that the ID you have submitted. So they gave me a very good comprehensive response. Okay, so and then they told me they're going to look at it, and then they enable my global payment service button. Okay, so I said thank you, you're welcome. So it took some time, still I hadn't received, took some, like, I think like 2 days or 3 days. So I again got back to them, and they said my issue hasn't been resolved to date. They said, hey there, sorry for the late reply, we have checked your account and see that the ID was approved. We have transferred your case to the relevant department, and your global payment service will be approved. Okay, so guys, this is in case you have created your Payoneer, which is most going to likely going to happen to you, especially if you're creating in a country like Uganda. All you have to do is, after you've created a Payoneer account and you can't find the global payment service option, then all you have to do is to go ahead and write to them. So you notice now later on, now this is my account again. You find that now I have the global payment service. Yeah, the global payment service option. So that global payment service option allows you to have accounts. Okay, it allows you to have now me, for example, I have the USD account, I have the Euro and the Great Britain pound account. Okay, so in other words, the initial account I showed you earlier on, before I'd written to Payoneer requesting for them for the global payment service option, I couldn't access my accounts that had the different accounts, the USD, the Euro, and the pound accounts. Okay, so basically Payoneer is there to assist you to have different accounts in different denominations. You can have a USD account, a Euro account, and then the pound account. So all that is enabled by Payoneer. Okay, so that is how you solve the issue. That is how you solve this the problem.